Okay guys, so I flooded my canvas. I'm going to go ahead and do the skin. We're going to start off with the blue again. Do a little bit more this time. And then I'm going to do the purple. Then I'm going to do the gold. Something was in there, sorry. And then I'm going to do the green. And then the blue black. And then the red on top this time. I'm going to give it a little bit of a torch. Maybe, jeez. Those colors are not wanting to pop. Or those bubbles, I mean. Again, I do have push pins on my canvas. This time I went around, I made sure that the sides had stuff all over them. And I wiped off my little spinner table thing here. I'm picking up some old paint. That's okay, it's the same colors. I don't think that's too much of an issue. Okay. This time, instead of using white, we're gonna do black. And see what the difference is. Because why not? So I don't use anything in any of my paints other than Floetrol. And that's just because I don't like mixing a bunch of stuff. There's like a bare spot right there, sorry. I'm not one of those people that are gonna go, well I am one of those people that go out and like, oh I want to try that one thing. And I think I said that in one of my other videos, but you know, not everybody can do that. And a lot of times I can't do that. Sorry for my reach, I need to wipe off my hands. But I wanted to be able to try it with just the basics that most of you that do this have, which is paint and Floetrol. So it works with that. I had great success with it. I'm not great at blooms. I mean, this is like my third one, but it works for me. So let me blow this out. Do it on low again. In the middle and push. Middle. That was terrible. Let's try that again. Also, I think I messed it up because I don't think you're supposed to do it twice. So, oh well, what are you gonna do? And I definitely went down into my pillow a lot. So, live and learn. That's okay. It was looking pretty cool, but it wasn't going as far out as I wanted, and I don't want to fling paint all over my room. I do have carpet on my floors. And like I said, I don't have a spinner box at the moment. So, excuse my head. There's a bubble. So I'm just going to let that come back. I'm going to torch it before I spin it this time, because I did blow it twice. And then, sorry again if you can see my little torch, but I need to have it up. See how it's not really moving here? I'm gonna blow that out a little bit. Okay, so all I did was blow out the edges, and then I'm going to spin it one more time. I don't really like this part, but it's kind of crazy how everything looks so different just because I added the black and changed the colors around. Same colors, same consistency, same day, but just because I put the black cell activator on there, and then I went ahead and mixed them up, you get a completely different look. And a lot of times, even if you do the same everything, you don't always get the same results. And that's okay. You know, I know people try to recreate their very first painting or their very favorite whatever it is, and unfortunately, when you're trying to do that, it does not happen. You want to recreate some fills, then you'll get those, because sometimes I'll do the same thing over and over again and get the same result and it looks terrible. So when it comes to that, you are good. But when it comes to, oh, I really like that, it doesn't work that way. Not in my experience anyway. If you can do it, then you're awesome. I cannot. I'm not really sure how I'm liking what's going on. Sorry, just seeing if you guys can see what I'm doing. So, I don't know. I don't know if you guys can see or not, but I don't know if I like it, guys. I like the other one a lot better. I think I shouldn't have blown it twice because it messed up all my blacks and I don't have all that black lacing. Try to see if I can't torch it. I think every time I torch it, I just get more of those little white cells, which I don't know what I was expecting, because of course that's what you're going to get. But, okay, I guess that's it for me for today. I'll go ahead and bring you in for a close-up as soon as I wipe off my hands. Be right back. Okay guys, so here's the wet result. Try to bring you in a little bit. So I do like the colors like right in that area over there. How they kind of bled together. Not bled, but they like swirled. It almost looks like a galaxy in that little area. Same thing over here. And then those little wispies, I didn't mean to, but I actually did the same thing on the other side. Oh, just kidding, it's over here. Sorry, I'm looking through my camera screen, so I can't really see where I'm at. So I don't really care for this section. I like the lacing. And then if you kind of look, it kind of looks purple. So you got like the purple, the blue, the bluish black. And then that red didn't really go anywhere. You got one spot over here. And then it just all kind of stayed to the center. Sorry, I had to leave my glove on. Sprained my wrist or something, so I don't want to get paint all over my brace. But like this section right here is super pretty. So again, it's not my favorite, but I wanted to see kind of how the composition would work and how the, sorry, getting glare here, how everything would look with the black cell activator instead of white. So there she is. As soon as it dries, I'll bring you in for a close-up of both of them. Then you guys can let me know what you think. See you soon. Bye. Okay guys, so here they are, nice and dry. So I will show you the first one. So this is the first one. It came out super pretty. I love that gold in there. If I turn it like this, it kind of looks actually like this way. Sorry. Kind of looks like an underwater theme. I made this one on 4th of July and everyone's like, oh, fireworks. So I thought that was kind of funny. I didn't even mean to do that, but it came out pretty cool. I like that green, so when you look at it straight on, you don't really see it, but then you turn it. See that green and that gold in there and that blue? Came out super, super pretty. And it dried really, really well. Sorry for the mess in the background. It's all the paints that I was playing with. So there's no cracks in there. That's one thing that I get worried about with the paint, because if you have too much on there, then it starts cracking. Those lacings right there, or veins, whatever you want to call it, super cool. That one's red and then turns into gold. So that one was definitely my favorite. And then we got this one. This one didn't come out too good. But this is the one that I blew twice, and I was like, oh, you probably shouldn't do that. So I don't think I'm going to put a coat of resin on this one. I'm going to let it stew for a minute and see if I'm going to paint over it or not. I like this section right here because it kind of color shifts almost. See that gold and then the green? So if you like watch right in here, when I'm moving it around, it almost looks like a color shift, which is kind of weird because same colors, just different layers of them. Or excuse me, I layered them differently. I think that one I ended with the, I think I ended with the red. I don't remember. This is a couple of days later because I got busy. And then this one I ended, I believe, with the purple. I could be wrong. You guys just watched the video, so you're probably telling me, no, that's not what you did. But I know I ended them wrong, or different rather. I layered them different, ended it different. And I also used a white cell activator on this one and a black on this one. So that's also going to contribute a lot. But there it is. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, comments, please let me know. You could either email me or list them down below. Please give this video a like, a share, tell your friends, all that fun stuff that helps us get off the ground. If you guys want me to do anything specifically, then just let me know. And I'll try to see if I can do it. I'm still kind of new at all these different techniques that are coming out, so still learning. So let me know what you guys think, and if there's something specific paint-wise or resin-wise that you want to see, just let me know. Thanks for watching. Bye.